Hi Dian, this is Edmund of AMVPS Australia. I'd like you to know that your visa has been finally granted.
Talaga po? Ah! Thank you po, attorney!
See you soon, bye!
Hello, Dad! Finally, granted na talaga ang visa ko. Australia, here I come!
Wow, congrats anak. Totoo ba yan? Kung ganun, iiwan mo na kami ng mami mo. Alam mo, naalala ko tuloy yung aking Australia experience when I was your age.
Talaga po? Wow, kwento mo naman sa akin ang experience mo, Dad.
Promise anak, ikukwento ko lahat sa'yo. But first, I want to make sure kung natatandaan mo pa yung sinabi ng AMVPS.
Dad talaga, oh. Pero sige na nga, challenge accepted. Of course, I need to follow school policies such as academic progress and attendance requirements. Tapos, kailangan ko ring mag-attend ng orientation at kumuha ng Australian Student Identification Number. Tsaka, once I find a place to stay, I must inform the school about the address, contact information, at iba pang detalye na hinihingi ng school.
Oo nga. I admire the standards of education dyan sa Australia. Ang mga classmates ko, galing sa Europe, Latin America, and of course Asia. Alam mo ba anak, ang dad mo, graduate yan ng University of Melbourne. Teka nga anak, paano ka makakahanap ng job mo?
Well, kailangan ko munang kumuha ng tax file number at mag-open ng bank account. Tsaka sabi nila hindi rin daw dapat mag-exceed ng 40 hours in every 15 days yung trabaho ko.
Ah, ganun ba? Baka may nakalimutan ka pa anak ha? Meron pa ba?
Ay, tama pala. I was reminded din na dapat may student insurance ako while studying, and if I plan to shift in a different course or transfer in another education provider, no need to go out of Australia na daw. I just have to contact and visit AMVPS Australia branch right away.
Naman anak, or else babalik ka talaga kay daddy. Buti na lang, ang AMVPS may information session sa Facebook at may education agent support pa.
Tama! O sige dad, I have to prepare for my flight na.
Oh, may nakakalimutan ka ata anak. Sana goodbye kiss ni daddy.
Daddy talaga, oh! Sige na nga! Mwah! Love you, Dad!
Sige anak, may gagawin pa si daddy. Mag-iingat ka ha. Bye anak. God bless.
Bye, Dad! Sa susunod mong paglalakbay, AMVPS ang kasama mo.